Yeah, good day viewers. You're welcome to Fish College YouTube. We are back again with a series of catfish fry management at low mortality and zero stress. You can see these fish, they are 8 days old, exactly on the 8th of December 2022, and we will be bringing you a series on how we go about their production from the very day the net was removed to when they turn to for fingerlings and are ready to be disposed, ready to be sold. So we encourage you to stay put. This clip that you're watching is enriched with a lot of information for your good. You're going to be seeing some of the workshop we did before that kept us so much busy, and subsequently you're going to be watching live on how this production was carried out. Thank you so much. You're welcome to Fish College. So continuing the rate which unemployment is increasing in our country, one of the best way to escape unemployment is to, or let me say, to alleviate unemployment and poverty is to encourage skill acquisition. So you can see this is a live workshop program that is being carried out by us in one of the NYC campus, precisely NYC Ondo skill acquisition program. Recently, these are by 631 2022 core members. As you can see, they are seriously busy and lot more was done. Subsequently, all our clips are going to be giving you hints on some of the things that have been done. And what I'm trying to say, I encourage every of my students that are watching this video to be inspired to utilize every bit of what they are learning, because that is until you begin to practice your skill appropriately, that's when you begin to experience freedom. So I will encourage you to stay put. We have so much information for you, especially this series that we have begun, and you will learn a lot. You can see this barbecue preparation workshop. So enjoy yourself. We love you, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.
I will not shake my head like this. So I don't think that I'm in the spirit. Alright. Like this. Let's move. Let's move. Don't go with your chair like this. Let's move. Don't go with your chair. Let's
Big fish are this one.
Yes, sir. Now, I was talking about why do come over this one? Come over this one because you can move this meat and move this up. But can you move the concrete down? Can you move everything from us? Now, as you can see, our principle is to teach people how to start smart. Look at this bond. You can see that we just 2 by 2 that we this 2 by 2 some of them will not use that just look at this. Let's take a look at this one. Right here I see that was cut from the tree. And then use all these things are examples for you. Like this one was a bit against the color. Don't see what interest. So now there is a pot, but I told you that why go is not like this. These are 28 of them. Look at this phone, you can see this. This says the phone from this getting to this. It is finally
One, it has been a long time, and I know we have mixed a lot of persons, and some persons have mixed us in this channel. And the reason being that we have been very much busy. We are not idle. For those who have been following us actively, you can see that recently we have been in a very big farm called A2 Fish Farm, where we partner with the hatchery section to produce thousands of catfish seed. When I mean seed, viable seed. And I keep letting you know that that farm remains one of the best in Nigeria and Africa, where you can get quality catfish seeds that will give you the best, because we are careful in all we use. So if you're here to patronize the products there, I'm encouraging you to do that. So from A2, we went to camp to do training, to train core members, which I've been doing. And I'm back to this our laboratory. I call it laboratory because you can see the setup is very, very small, but this is not a small setup. What we have here is money, it's plenty. So when you see it, you see fish all over. So some persons who have been following were complaining that I saw some comments that we are not teaching people, that we are doing more of business promotion. Anyway, it's because of the nature of the business we are doing at the moment. And I apologized, and that is why I said you don't just complain, don't just criticize. Feel free to drop your questions. Most of the videos you are seeing us uploading are reactions from questions which people have been dropping on our channel. So the best way to address them is to produce a video clip that will give them clarity of what they want to know. And there's something terrible that happened, which so many were victims of it. At the cause of the flood and the rain, so many hatcheries went bankrupt. When I mean bankrupt, they suffered a lot. They lost a lot of fish, not because of the flood. This work with pH and temperature. So there was serious drastic change, and it dealt with a lot of hatchery. So you can see the weather is adjusting. You can fall back and try your best. So right here, what I want to actually do now, I want to remove my incubation net. Some people normally ask, how long does it take for you to remove the net? Then I don't want to encourage people to follow something that I do, because there are some risks that I used to take which I will not encourage beginners to take. Like this net you are seeing here, this fish started hatching 2 days ago, and could you imagine, this is the 3rd day and the net is still here. Now the reason being that I'm careful to monitor the water. If you look at the water now, it looks a bit cloudy, trying to drain it. And you can see our camera person, come and show them to see the fish. You can see everywhere is fish. All this stuff you are seeing here are fish. Even on the net, there are plenty of them. So the white stuff you are seeing here are the shell where they hatch out from. So what I want to do now is I'll be transferring the nets to the next pond, so that those ones that are hanging will fall off there. Then we'll manage both of them together. So I want to show you how we get it done, okay? So that those who are saying we're hiding things, we are not hiding anything. The only thing I know I'm doing, which I'm still going to stress, is I encourage people to register for mentorship and training. The essence of the mentorship guide is we'll have one-on-one interaction with you. And you must pay, it's not free. When you pay, we'll guide you. But we upload what you do here live. So this fish you're seeing here today is their day 3. And according to what I was taught in the university, we are meant to remove this net after 24 hours. But if you know you can handle them, but if you cannot handle them, don't leave the net till day 3, because you can try it day 2 self, all your fish will go. So let me just remove it so that you see. The way I remove it, I try to shake it little, so as the ones hanging will fall off. Then this is the net. I take it here. So you can see the water look very, very cloudy. So what do I have to do now? With fish all over, you can see them, all these things you are seeing. Hope the fish is showing very, very clear. So all this thing you are seeing is fish. I have to flush the water. So this Fish College at Work. If you are here to subscribe to our channel, I wonder what you are doing. And somehow we are improved. We have improved. We have gotten a mic. For those who are complaining that they are not hearing us well, we have gotten a mic that will add volume to our video clip. So we are going to be giving you quality work. Let me tell you something. It's not a bad thing for you to even send money to support our ministry, because what we are doing is humanitarian development. People have been calling me. In fact, every day people they send me account number, I send money to them. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. The best, I know that it's not easy in our country now, but the best you have to do is try to get a skill. If this one you are learning, learn it very, very well. Then start small and go. If you don't have money, you can partner with people who are doing something, then you grow. So this service now, today is day 3. We'll be giving you steady updates on how it goes, so that you will learn very much well. Okay. So if you have questions to ask, feel free to drop your question on our comment section. Then that's our WhatsApp line on the screen. You can call us on anything you need. Then I know that some of you are wondering where A2Fish Farm is. A2Fish Farm is in along Abaro Express Road in Warri in Delta State in Nigeria. So, and what you need to know about Fish College is that we are versatile. Actually, we have so many farms that we are managing online, and then we'll visit them physically, especially farms that will supply fingerlings and our products. We normally help render consultancy service for them to make good profit. But this year, we come in contact with A2Fish Farm, and one of the reasons why we are putting much energy there is to make it big, so that we can meet up with demand. We normally have excess demand to supply fingerlings, and to meet up is a challenge. So partnering with the farm give us edge to get to them, and also to provide room for employment. Consider the farm will have a lot of young people working there, and I keep praying that God will bless the MD and enlarge the farm, so that they will make it plenty money and be expanding it much more. So far so good. I want to appreciate those who have been following us, those who have been following our work. So what I'm doing now, I'm flushing the water. After flushing the water, I'm gonna put new one, so everywhere will be neat. Okay. So as I said, this is our little laboratory. Yeah. So we are going to be coming to the end of our today's video clip, and I assure you, you're gonna see another section of another version of what we do. So remain blessed. All right, come here so that they can see. Come and see something. So if you take a look, you can see the fish on the floor. Many of them on the floor. Many of them. Look at. Can you see? Can you see them? Can you see? Many of them on the floor. So in this business, one of the way we operate in Fish College, we try to operate at zero mortality and zero stress. We are careful with everything we are doing. Like, take a look at this rubber. That's the control. What the work is to ensure that fish are not escaping. So if any fish escape, we easily detect it here, and we try to find out the cause and we fix it up. So I won't stop here. Like, I mark small pigeon. I won't stop here. So if you don't say, never subscribe to my channel, hey, to my core members, so I just finished training, I want to encourage you. Life after service here is not easy when you don't have anything doing. So don't be deceived by the allowance you are collecting. I've been telling you, and I keep saying it. Try all you can to develop yourself. Try all you can to develop yourself. Use this 1 year, set a target. If it is fish farming you want to learn, we are careful to teach you a lot of things. If it is this fish farming you want to learn, try all your best, all you can to follow your mentor. work one-on-one with him and get yourself established. If it is how to make poultry feed or snail, whatever you want to learn, get your mind attached to it. Follow your instructor bomber to bomber. So as soon as you are rounding up your service year, you are sure that you have some skills in your hand, because there are many people who have graduated even with first class for more than 10 years. There's nothing. When I mean nothing, there's absolutely nothing. Yahoo yahoo, one day they go catch you. If they not catch you, it's very good for you to do a legit business. A legit business that will give you peace of mind. Not when you hear a knock on your door, on your gate, your heart will now skip away. So I don't know the best way to motivate you, but as a senior colleague, I'm still telling you, that's to my core members, those I train, and other youths that will be following us. Try all you can, all you can. We have wonderful materials that that I wrote, which I'm going to advertise again. For this Xmas period, it's no longer 5,000 naira, it's just 3,000. You pay 3,000, we will send you the soft copy, or if you have the way of getting a hard copy, if you are close or any means, we will get the hard copy for you. We'll read it up. If you want us to mentor you, we'll give you our conditions. Then we can meet up, we start the training. So, but in all that I'm saying is that try to make use of this opportunity so that you can enjoy yourself. I myself am a graduate. And I'm so proud to say, to the glory of God, I've never searched for a job, and I'm happy with the little I'm doing. I still have a very big dream. I'm trusting God to give me more money so that when I see more money, I can, move back. Even people say move back, and enlarge or expand. But for now, I'm taking everything bit by bit. I believe I've motivated you, I've charged you up. So let me don't take much of your time in this video. We are back full squad. So tell that your friend about our channel, okay?